So here we're going to talk about non-repudiation. So non-repudiation is a complement to the CIA triad that ensures accountability in digital communications and prevents users from denying their actions. So with non-repudiation, when someone performs an action, they are accountable and cannot deny it. There is evidence showing that they performed the action, and that's how non-repudiation complements the CIA. And how does it do this? First, by showing proof of origin, who created the information or sent it. Proof of delivery confirms receipt by the intended recipient. Proof of timing establishes when actions occurred. And proof of integrity verifies that it hasn't been altered. And how does it all do all this? It does all this through digital signatures. So digital signatures are heavily used in email and other online or digital methods of sending information. Digital signatures have a private key or run or operate using a private key which a sender uses, a unique key to create a signature when they send this information. The information or the message is transmitted, and in case of any alteration, the system will flag it. And if it reaches in one piece to the intended receiver, the receiver has a public key which confirms the sender's identity. So there is a private and a public key. The private key creates the signature, and the public key will confirm the sender's identity. So in case the message is tampered with during transit, the system will flag it. And due to the public and private key, the sender can know that the message was received, and the receiver will know who exactly sent or created this message. And none of them can deny the actions taken. So, non-repudiation can be applied in different fields. For example, e-commerce, it secures financial transactions and approvals, prevents denial of purchases or authorizations. In the legal field, it can provide court-admissible digital evidence, which establishes a chain of custody for electronic documents. For example, if you are in court with someone and they sent an email saying or making a statement, when presented to court, someone cannot deny it. Why? It has their digital signature. In healthcare, it ensures accountability for medical records access and tracks changes to patient data. If a doctor makes changes to your data, they cannot later deny it. And when it comes to software distribution, it verifies developer identities, prevents malicious code distribution through impersonation. So why? How does it do this? As we saw earlier on, through the digital signatures. It will verify the developer identities and prevent malicious code distribution through impersonation. Thank you very much. That's it for today. I will see each other in the next part of our exam prep.